Hey, welcome to SideHustlr. Do you want to make quick and easy money with just your laptop? Look no further, because I've got an exciting solution for you in this video. Did you know that proofreading is one of the highest paying freelancing jobs, where you can earn anywhere from $500 to $3,000 per month? If you want to find out more, keep on watching. If you're anything like me, then your first ever introduction to proofreading was through novels on Wattpad. A literary person dreams of working in a publishing firm to get paid for reading as much as they desire. Proofreading is also a job you don't need to be an expert in, but it offers good pay, and that's what we are all here for. One of the main reasons why proofreading is a well-paying skill is because typos and grammatical mistakes happen. We have all been there. You send a professional email only to realize afterward that you've made a typo. Typos happen, even if you read and reread the document. Now, what is proofreading? Proofreading is reading to scrutinize the words and sentences, to find mistakes, and then fixing the errors. In the publishing industry, proofreading manuscripts are required at different stages, so much so that publishing firms have proofreading departments. This ensures that the published product has no errors or mistakes, and that readers enjoy the book thoroughly. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty as to why it pays so well. Because errors are undeniably inevitable, proofreading is in high demand. Would you be able to understand or enjoy an extensive email, document, or manuscript riddled with grammatical, punctual, and spelling mistakes? Of course not. Any text is enjoyable when it is clearly and adequately written. That is why proofreaders are hired. Proofreading helps by providing another set of eyes that can see the errors the writer may not have seen. An expert with grammar skills and profound knowledge of the subject will be able to help you. It is just like getting second opinions from doctors. Due to COVID, the world is rapidly moving online to pursue a virtual presence. Hence, proofreaders are more extensively needed. Now, how much is a proofreader earning? A full-time proofreading freelancer can make, on average, $52,000 yearly, according to ZipRecruiter. That's almost the same as a typical corporate job, but without the 9-to-5 hustle. According to PayScale, an hourly wage for freelancing proofreaders is between $12 to $36, with an average of $19 an hour. But with prior experience and subject-related knowledge, freelancers can glide up to around $36 to $40 an hour. All this is for full-time proofreaders. Part-timers who work about 3 hours a day can easily make about $30 a day. Now, not all proofreaders are paid the same. The pay rate does vary. This is because of many different factors, such as the pay will highly depend on the task at hand and what the requirements are. For example, some clients want you to point out grammatical, spelling, and punctuation errors, while others would like you to edit the manuscript or draft. The skill set that you can offer will also affect your pay rate. These skills are not only grasping the written language, but also the understanding you may have of the subject. For instance, a proofreader with a background in STEM, science, technology, engineering, math, would likely be paid more to proofread and edit a research paper than an average blog proofreader. Think of when COVID hit. There were many articles, blogs, and research papers on the coronavirus. Everyone and their mama were consuming content on COVID. During that time, a proofreader with a background in viral research studies was in high demand, much more than the average proofreader. So, how can you get started? Proofreading doesn't require a specific degree from a college or university, but requires a particular skill set. As a proofreader, you should have an excellent grasp of the language. For instance, if we talk about English, only a proofreader with excellent grammar skills, punctuation skills, and a strong understanding of the English language would be a good proofreader. Reading as much as possible is an excellent start to building and strengthening this skill. Many bilingual people who learn English as a second language tend to have sounder English skills as they rely on book reading as their source material. Now, where will you find these proofreading jobs? Many freelancing platforms offer all sorts of proofreading jobs. Few of these names include Upwork, Freelancer, Fiverr, FlexJobs, Scribr, and ProofreadingServices.com. Even LinkedIn can help you find proofreading jobs in your local area. The possibilities are endless. You must dive right in. Each of these platforms requires you to sign up, and that's it. You can then rummage through postings to find the job that's open for newbies and well-suited to you. Start today and begin realizing your earning potential. That is it for this video. We hope you found this video helpful. and motivating. There are plenty of opportunities waiting for people who want to get out there and reach their goals. Leave a comment below and let me know how your experience went, or if you have any questions.